Bella, right there, right there. Kitty, right there. Kitty, kitty. It's right there. Oh no. Cat, what are you doing? Laser. Oh my. I'd have to say Luna wouldn't be this excited to play with a laser, but Bella sure is. Bella, it's... Oh, there goes Luna. Come on. Oh my... Luna, no counter surfing. Come on. Seriously, cats? I'll tell you, these cats. Let's see if Bella wants to play again. Oh, there she goes. Kitty on the move. Oh, no. There's only one cat that can master it. Luna. Shine it on the wall again. Well, this is it. Luna is actually the master of wall climbing. Well, she hasn't actually climbed a wall, but she can get a dot on the... Whoa. I need to back up.
Get that. Nope. She's careful.
Yep, I think I got that on camera. All right, Bella's turn. All right, I'll take it from here.
I'll do it.
Okay. Whoa! That cat is on a rampage.
Oh, just so you guys know a fact about Bella. When you pet her a lot,
She farts.
yes. And also, you know what is about her? That another fact that's about her is that if you don't give her attention, she'll try to lick you, and then she'll bite you.
Yeah, she'll bite your neck.
Yeah, she bit me on the head twice this week.
Yep. Our mom has that happened to our mom. Bella, come on, get up. There we go. Wow. Wall scaler Luna, do you think you can get it? Right on her fur. Bella, how are you taking the laser chase? I think it's so cool and I hope Luna win. Luna, your comments. I want to win this with the new cat. Well, there you have it.
Yeah, and also, you know what else?
Woo.
Sometimes Luna actually meant she wanted to win this for herself, didn't she?
Shine it in the kitchen. They'll be able to see it better. Go on, kitties. Kitties, move out. Mama, what was that? In the middle of our video. Seriously, cats, it's right in front of you. All right.
I want to see how much.
All right. Well, kitties, we'll postpone the video games for now.
No, keep going, keep going.
On the kitty mobile devices, they are not allowed to play video games during these trials, and Luna's off. May I remind you, Luna, you are on the wall scaling team. No, man, she did. All right. Make her chase it around in circles. Do. Kitty, come on.
Bella.
Bella. Hold on. Take 5. Go. Sorry for that brief intermission. We had to get Bella back on set. Make her chase it around in circles. Wait. Go. Oh my. Get up. Lazy. Kitty. Oh. You following the laser? You following the laser? You following the laser. Whoa. That is one scaling cat. Bella, you are on the floor scaling team. Luna is on the wall scaling team, but I guess it doesn't matter.
My dad,
Okay, Georgia, you gotta stop with the videos.
All right.